Hello friends! The first and foremost important thing to know while learning a language is to know how to address someone and to know if someone is addressing you. We shall teach you the same in this very first Chinese lesson. I, you, he, she, we, you all, masculine they and feminine they. So let's start. I is called as Wa in Mandarin. Mandarin is another name for simplified Chinese. To write Chinese character for Wa, a combination of 7 strokes is to be drawn. You can follow the way on screen. If you continue practicing these strokes, you can quickly learn how to read and write these characters. You is called as Ni in Chinese. Ni. It also needs 7 strokes to write its character, as you can see. Strokes are the lines which are to be combined to write a Chinese character. Same word is used in Chinese for both he and she. Tha, tha, but they are a little different in written Chinese. Tha for masculine or he has 5 strokes, while those for feminine or she are 6 in number. And there is a little difference to write them. In fact, this second part is common, only the first part is different. First part for feminine tha or she is called new. New. This is special and mostly used feminine character. It's that easy to make a plural out of a singular. Just add man, man, and there you go. As in, wa is to I as woman is to we. Ni is to single you, as niman is to you all, and tha is to he or she, as thaman is to they. How simple! But remember, it's not a thumb rule. We have to memorize plurals separately. In old ages, traditional Chinese had been in use. Initially, full shapes of the objects were drawn to write their names in Chinese. These were very difficult, but with time, characters had been being modified to simple characters instead of complex shapes. Now reading and writing Chinese is very easy. One thing to note down here is that it's possible for 2 words to be similar or same in spoken Chinese but being different in written Chinese or characters and in meaning. Same is the case with man. Its one meaning is door as in outdoor or indoor, and another man is used here as a nodal particle to make a plural out of a singular. Character for both these man are a little different. Man for door has only one part, but that over here has an additional first part in it. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe to enhance your writing skills and add your vocabulary day by day. Thank you.